back to the life explanation series. This is Raju, a spiritual and a food scientist. Today we will talk about the importance of sun and moon in the life of a human being. Not only human being, animals and all creatures present in the planet Earth. So what is the role of sun and moon? What is the importance of sun and moon in the life of human being? So the important is human being. Will talk about human being, the importance of sun and moon. Sun and moon plays a very important role in the life of a human being. As you know, the 5 elements are needed for the existence of human being on the planet called Earth. As air is needed, water is needed, food is needed. In the same way, the sunlight is needed, and even the moonlight is needed for the survival or the physical fitness of a human body on the Earth. So let's know what is the importance of sun. Sun is a very important thing which gives a very important effect on the human body. There are different effects of a sun on the human body. If you expose your whole body towards the sun, it improves your sleep at night. Your body creates a hormone called melatonin. So melatonin is a hormone that is critical for you to help in sleeping. It reduces stress in your body. If you are suffering from any stress, any type of stress, so if you expose your body to daily morning and evening sunlight, then the whole body stress will be released. It maintains the daily exposure to the sun in the morning or in evening will help you to maintain a strong bone. So we have seen that most of the people are suffering from bone degeneration. So why this bone degeneration is happening to most of the people nowadays? They are suffering from cervical spondylitis or back pain or your backbone degeneration. So why this is happening? Because most of the people have left exposing their body to the sunlight. Sun plays a very important role. So if you expose your body daily to the sunlight in the morning and the evening, at least for half an hour, or if you are not getting a time, at least for 15 minutes, if you expose your body, sit in a bare body. You should not wear dress. At least you wear a small cloth and then sit in the sun. At least you have to take a sunbathing. So it helps you to maintain a strong bone, because this sunlight creates a vitamin D, and also it regenerates the cellular of your bone. So this helps in reducing your bone degeneration and revitalizing your body. So one has to expose your body to the daily morning and evening sunlight. Even it helps you to maintain your bone mass and your muscle mass. So it maintains your body weight. So daily exposure to the sunlight may maintain your body weight. It strengthens your immune system. If anybody is suffering from any immune deficiency syndrome, so most of the people are suffering from immune deficiency. Why this is occurring is because they are not exposing their body to the sunlight. How much sunlight is needed, that much it has to be needed. So you try to expose so that your immune system will increase. Sunlight help you to fight a depression. Most of the children are undergoing depression because they are not exposing their body to the sunlight. So if you expose your body to the sunlight, It will minimize your depression if anybody is suffering from any depression. And most of the best thing, it gives a longer life to the organisms or a human body. So these are the some of the benefits which sun plays a very important role in the human life. And most of all, sun is very important. Without sun, the life existence of the earth cannot be thought. The existence on the earth is only because of the sun. Without sun, the existence or the survival of any organism is not possible. Without sun, plants can't grow, animals can't grow, there is no reproduction of animals, there is no reproduction of human being. The survival or the existence is not possible without sun. So we have to understand what is the importance of sun. Next we will talk about the importance of moonlight. So moonlight exposure is very important. It relieves your anxiety, it relieves your stress. It also releases a hormone called melatonin. The exposure to the moonlight increases your eye strength. It increases your concentration, visualization, and improves emotional awareness. So moon plays a very important role. You know that moon revolves around the earth. So moon revolves around the earth and it takes 28 days to complete one cycle. So it takes the average time period to complete one cycle around the earth is at 28 days. So it takes 28 days to complete one cycle around the earth. In the same way, if a girl, it helps in the reproduction of a female organ, in the reproduction or new generation of babies and all. So it helps in that. The cycle of the moon around the earth is 28 days. In the same way, the cycle of a menstrual cycle of a girl is also 28 days. This matches because the moonlight helps in reproduction of organisms. The life existence and the reproduction process totally depends upon the moonlight. So as moon takes 28 days, the menstrual cycle of any human being is also taking 28 days. If any child is suffering from discomfort or disbalance of this menstruation cycle, then they have to expose their body to the moonlight as much as possible. So this moonlight induces a melatonin in the body, hormone called melatonin in the body, so that your disbalance of your cycle will be reduced. So it plays a very important thing. Moon bathing has advantages like it helps in processing vitamin D, increases ojas in the body and also vitality, balancing pitta and reducing inflammation in the body. There is no any right or wrong way to expose your body. Any time you can expose your body to the moonlight. The best time to expose your body to the moonlight is new full moon day and also in a full moon day. It will give more beneficial, and it is also considered as auspicious in our religion. So these are some of the important things which one should know about moon and sun. So these serotonin and melatonin also help in releasing a happy mood by creating a hormone called dopamine in our pineal gland. So the dopamine is the hormone which are produced with the help of serotonin and melatonin, and it helps in being a happy and enjoyable. So one has to understand that moon and sun plays a very important role in the life of human being. whatever reproduction is happening, it is due to the moon rotating around the earth, and it is taking average 28 days to revolve around the earth. Reproduction cycle of a girl is also taking 28 days. Any disbalance in the reproduction, one has to understand to expose their body to the moonlight, especially in full moon day or new moon day, so that they can get a good beneficial, and any problem in their menstruation cycle will be resolved. Any bone degeneration, any cervical spondylosis, backbone pain, they have to expose their body to the morning and evening sunlight. So that will induce serotonin and vitamin D and stop degeneration of the bone, and regeneration or renovation of bone cells will happen. So you can minimize or totally reduce the bone degeneration. Anybody suffering from digestive disorders also may be relieved by exposing their body to the morning and evening sunlight. So because of these, we refer sun and moon as sun god and moon god, because without the existence of sun or moon, life cannot exist on the planet called Earth. So my dear friends, this was the today's knowledge about sun and moon, and I think most of them will follow this and reduce their problems in the life. We'll be back with some more knowledgeable video. Till then, have a nice day.